It's super cold in London and I need something to eat which is warming me up and keeping me healthy. So I'm cooking myself a creamy turmeric mushroom chicken sauce. This recipe has lots of veggies, protein, and most importantly, it tastes super delicious. Ingredients you need are mushroom, the usual base of onion, carrot, and celery, 2 cloves of garlic, and 3 medium-sized chicken breasts. I first chopped all the veggies as small as possible and kept them aside until I need them. I have cut my mushroom in quarters, but of course you can chop it as fine as your veggies, but I felt that if you have some chance to bite on, it comes across more filling. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I really dislike cutting carrots, onion, and celery. I prefer putting them into a food processor and have it done with. But here I am. For you guys, I do it. Onions, my favorite. Whenever I cut them, do you have any ideas how you can cut the onions without how you can avoid that? I mean, I've searched TikTok, Instagram, everything. I tried Google, Instagram, everything, but drinking water, no way, nothing works. I mean, please leave a comment if you have any ideas or suggestions. I don't know. I would really try to find a way. Nothing worked for me. I like to make sure that the garlic are chopped finely, especially when I'm adding them into any sauces which go along with pasta. Then I dry the chicken breast with some kitchen towels to get rid of the remaining moisture. To make sure all chicken pieces are somehow same size, I cut the pieces slightly diagonally so it gets cooked evenly and everyone gets the same amount of chicken. This is how thin I like to have the chicken pieces, so therefore cutting diagonally it makes that other pieces are the same size. In the process of cutting the pieces diagonally, please make sure not to cut your fingers. Always make sure you clean your surface or wherever you have cut your chicken with disinfection spray to avoid salmonella. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and fry my chicken in high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. The slices are quite thin, so it shouldn't take too long to get a nice golden color. Once the chicken has gained a nice roasted color, I remove them out of the pan. Don't worry if the pan has some burning left. These are all flavors which will add more character into your sauce. In the same pan, I add some butter to saute my mushroom until it gets a nice color. Add the mushroom into the butter and let it cook until it gets like a golden color. The mushroom will release lots of moisture, but don't worry, it will just evaporate and you will end up slightly smaller pieces of mushroom and a good base for your sauce. In my opinion, another great combination are mushroom and cumin. Just a pinch of cumin goes a long way and enhances the flavor of my dish to another level. Now time to make my dish unique. I add some turmeric. Especially at the current season, I feel I need to add lots of valuable nutrition into my body, and turmeric is a strong antioxidant. Powerful anti-inflammatory effect of it will keep me healthy. The flavor on the bottom of the pan, the butter and mushroom already makes the kitchen smell so heavenly. Finally, I'm adding my chicken back into my pan. 1 cup of double cream, Cook it on medium heat for further 2 to 3 minutes and done. Cook it on medium heat for further 2 to 3 minutes and done. I served it with some garlic bread, but this also goes well with pasta. I have served this dish with garlic bread, but you can go ahead and serve it with pasta or potatoes. It's totally up to you. But what I know is it tastes delicious. I really hope you liked my video and to see you soon back. Thank you for watching.